Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will show how to enable remote connection in MySQL database from command line interface. At first I need to open command prompt as administrator and connect to MySQL database. After connection I need to create user for remote access. Follow the script. I have shared here script. After that I will create a database, test database. Then I will enable to remote access for test user and test database. Run the following SQL command and grant all privileges on test database. After apply all privileges, I need to start and stop the services. At first I will stop the services, MySQL services. Then I will start again the services. This is the today's video for just enable the remote connection. Next video is loading. Just wait. Thank you very much.